Mr. Ashwani Nayar, please.
Welcome to all our friends from the media. I would like to also acknowledge the presence of the dignitaries on the dais here, who would be speaking to you about this event as we progress through the afternoon. Most of all, it's a big privilege for the hotel, for InterContinental Dhaka, to have partnered with EgyptAir, who have organized this event into bringing the very rich, very unique and very long-standing culture, heritage and the cuisine of Egypt into Bangladesh. As a lot of you would already be aware, there are now direct flights between Cairo and Dhaka, and the frequency of these is going to continue to increase. So what better time than this, where this exchange of cultures could happen. And I would like to also acknowledge and thank our main sponsors, Citibank and American Express, for having taken the lead for this unique festival, where the first time 3 chefs, celebrity chefs, who you will have the chance to meet later, and 4 performers, dance performers from Egypt, have been flown in to create this very, very unique festival.
This is Mostafa Magdy, EgyptAir manager in Bangladesh. You are all most welcome for our event. It will be a great event, and this is a very good opportunity just to show you the Egyptian food and our Egyptian taste. And we have today 3 of the best chefs in Egypt,
and create an opportunity for them to experience world-class food festival, and enjoy the Korean food and life and beauty of life. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
The students read the Egyptian culture and religion. Pyramid, mummy, they're very common to our children. And there are so many articles, novels published in our country on Egyptian culture and history. So from boyhood, the people of Bangladesh, they bear a great level of curiosity and interest on Egyptian culture. So I think that this sort of festival will bring a new dimension, as well as it will open a new horizon in the food diplomacy and tourism. And I believe that this sort of festivals should be organized more and more, as large as possible, because it will not only help our local community, as well as it will boost the relationship between Egypt and Bangladesh. One thing I'd like to share, that the famous Egyptian president, Anwar Sadat, he was a very good friend of ours, the father of the nation. He visited Bangladesh in 1974.
For the good news, for the any opportunity, you will be around the table and you will share the food, you will taste the food from different countries. And during this evening, I was so glad, so happy. InterContinental was really